Hello and welcome to C++ Weekly. I am your host Jason Turner, available for code reviews and on-site training. In this episode, I want to start a mini-series about some of the views that were added in C++ 23's ranges. Okay, so note that I am using GCC trunk at the moment, and I am in C++ 23 mode. The key point that you need to be aware of is that C++ 23 added a lot to the ranges header, and I am not trying to give a thorough overview of all those things. I just want to highlight a couple of things that I think might be a little bit confusing, but I have also found some utility for recently in my code. I've just made two arrays of integers, and I'm going to create a zip of these two arrays to show you what zip does. Or maybe we should create a zip of three arrays. Okay, so this is, in a nutshell, what the zip view does. You give it multiple ranges. In this case, I've used arrays because that was a convenient thing to do. And it takes them and groups them together. So you will notice that it is bounded by the shortest range. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 elements in the first one, 4 elements in the second one, and 5 elements in the third one. But I am getting only 4 sets printed, and that is by design because otherwise it would have no value at all for the middle thing. And if I were to go in and add another one, then we will see 5, 11, E printed for the final element. So the main takeaway that you need to be aware of here, it returns a range of tuples of references to elements. So I am using a structured binding here to destructure the 3 elements that were returned by zip. So if I were to have done just something like this, I now have a tuple that I have to get the elements from. This was the exact same result with just more effort on my part. Okay, that is zip view. Note that there is also a zip transform that you might be interested in. And I am currently using this particular library feature in my ConsExpr scripting language when I needed to iterate over name-value pairs while setting up local variables in a Lambda execution. So thanks for watching this episode of C++ Weekly. The next one is going to be about adjacent views and slide views. So be sure to subscribe.